First wash the fish properly. Chop the ginger. Chop spring onions. The chopped ginger and chopped spring onion. Prepare garlic.
Prepare the sauce of the stew. This is a fish stew.
Chop garlic.
Yeah. Garlic this way.
Chopped garlic. Chopped garlic, ginger and spring onion.
Soybean.
That's soybean.
This is salty soybean.
Salty soybean. Chopped. That is red chili paste available from the supermarket. Cut fish into sizable pieces,
Yeah, because it is too long.
probably about 2 inch long. That's cornstarch powder.
I put this because when I fry, it will be okay.
Add little cornstarch powder to fish,
When you fry, not sticky,
yeah, so that it will not become sticky while frying. Put all the ingredients in a bowl.
Yeah.
About 2 tablespoons of vinegar, black vinegar. One tablespoon of dark soy sauce.
White pepper.
Add a pinch of white pepper.
Yeah.
Add little bit of water. Add a bit of wine. What is the use of that wine?
Why to remove the smell? Okay.
Ah,
Yeah.
it facilitates removal of the
Smell.
fish smell.
Then put a little salt.
Add a pinch of salt.
Chinese style.
Ah, Chinese star spice.
Yeah.
One or two pieces. One piece. Sichuan pepper. Pinch of Sichuan pepper.
Yeah.
Chinese.
Because it's so strong.
And
Yes.
leave it for some time.
Yeah.
Now add a bit of cooking oil into a saucepan and start frying the cut pieces of fish. Huh? Belt fish. This is belt fish. Chop coriander leaves. Cover the fish while frying. Topple fish upside down while frying. Add already prepared mixture into a add fried fish into the mixture. That's the dish cooking. Cover it.
You should.
Finally, sprinkle the chopped coriander leaves. That's the finishing dish.